In the silence of the altar, in the breaking of the bread, heaven touches earth in mystery by the words the Savior said. Hidden in this sacred offering, love no eyes can fully see, yet by faith our hearts awaken to this holy mystery. Not by sight but by believing, we receive what you have given. Bread of life divine, Jesus, you are mine. In this holy sacrament, love beyond all time, body, blood, and grace, here in this sacred place. In the Eucharist we find mercy face to face. At the table you have called us, not because of what we've done, but because your love is endless, flowing from the Holy One. In this gift of your own presence, you restore the weak and lost, feeding souls with living mercy through the power of the cross. Every burden now is lifted. In this moment we are gifted. Bread of life divine, Jesus, you are mine. In this holy sacrament, love beyond all time, body, blood, and grace, here in this sacred place. In the Eucharist we find mercy face to face. Oh, how deep this sacred union! God Himself now dwells in me, not a symbol but a promise, living truth and mystery. In this feast of endless mercy, heaven's door is opened wide, and my soul is filled with wonder. Christ is here, my Lord, my God.